Chip Industry Week in Revenue. The American $400 billion advanced packaging funding. The SK Hynix plans DRAM, HBM fab, a rare earth deal, and top technology megatrend, DDR5 standard, chiplet package with SDB partnership as a legacy process node, as the UK-India deal, and the DRAM and NAND flash revenue. The U.S. Department of the Commercial and Armor Technology signed a deal to provide up to $400 billion in funding under for the CHIPS and Science Act to develop the previously announced end-to-end advanced package plant. The combined funding is expected to total about $2 billion. The new facility as will add some 2,000 jobs in Peoria and Arizona. The SK Hynix board approved its Yongin Semiconductor Cluster investment plan with 9.4 trillion won, $6.8 billion to build the first of four planned fabs for next-gen DRAM and HBM in Korea. Construction is to start in March next year and be completed in May 2027. The new fab will be in a complex with more than 50 other local companies. In addition, SK Hynix plans to build a mini fab within the first phase to help small businesses develop, demonstrate, and evaluate technologies. The Korea's Trident Global Holdings inked a joint venture deal with the Ohio-based Geotic Global to co-develop rare earth mines. The deal is significant from a supply chain perspective because the vast majority of the rare earth used for everything from magnets in hard disk drive to absorbing impurity in semiconductor material are mined and processed in China. The Trident has strategic agreement with several mines in northern Vietnam, home to an estimated 20% of the world's supply of rare earth, and according to the company's CEO Sam Chee. The IEEE released its 2024 Technology Megatrend Report and providing in-depth analysis of artificial intelligence, artificial general intelligence, digital transformation, and sustainability. The report, drawn from the experts of the 54 global technology experts from around the world, is available for free to IEEE member and non-member. JEDEC published details about its upcoming standard for DDR5 multiplexed rank dual inline memory modules (MRDIMM), which allows multiple data signals to be combined and transmitted over a single channel without the need for additional physical connections, and a next-generation comprehension attached memory module (CAMM) for LPDDR6 targeting a maximum speed greater than 14.4 gigatransaction per sec. ASMPT and IBM renewed their agreement to jointly develop chiplet packaging technologies. Their work will advance thermal compression and hybrid bonding technology for chiplets in advanced packages. The U.S. National Science Foundation (NSF) and the Department of Commerce (DOC), and including CHIPS for America and NIST (NIST), and will jointly invest in an initiative to train the future semiconductor workforce across all levels and job types. Tata Technologies and ARM formed a strategic partnership to drive innovation in software-defined vehicles (SDVs) and reduce development time. The Micron claims its new data center SSD, the Micron 9550 NVM3 SSD, is the world's fastest and with 14.0 GB per second sequential reads and a 10.10 gigabyte per second sequential write. Despite all the buzz around the leading-edge processes, demand continued to grow for the mature nodes, which are more capable than in the past. Quick links to more news. And global. The National Institute of the Standard and Technology (NIST) launched an open competition for Manufacturing USA. Institute focuses on using AI to increase resilience, and with expected funding of up to $70 million over 5 years. The notice of the funding opportunity is posted on the grant government. Deadline is September 30th, 2024. EFC will invest $210 million in a manufacturing facility to be located in McGregor, Texas. It will feature chemical synthesis, operations for electronic gases and decomposition precursors, and specialty gas transfer facilities, and a central laboratory, a logistics hub, and an administration building. The US, UK, and India launched a new technology security initiative, including a semiconductor focus on academic in the industry, R&D, collaboration in chip design and IP, advanced packaging and compound semiconductors, workforce development, and more. Also in India, the Coalition for Responsible Evaluation of AI, Core AI, was formed with over stakeholders aiming to foster responsible for development and deployment of the AI technology, per the Hindu. The China Foxconn will a new business headquarters in Chengzhou, with a construction area of about 700 acres and a total investment about RMB 1 billion. $138 billion, with support from Henan, the provincial government. The supercomputer development will likely slow, according to the Wall Street Journal, as China split from joint collaboration with the US. The AMD president, Victor Peng, will retire, effective August 3rd, as part of the transition. Vamsi, the Bopana, senior vice president of the Artificial Intelligence Group, AIG, will expand his current responsibility to include the AMD Instinct Data Center AI accelerator business. In depth, semiconductor engineer published 2 newsletters in this work. The System and Design newsletter features these top stories. Will AI disrupt EDA? Floor planning evolves into chiplet era. What's next in the system-level design? And the manufacturing, packaging, and material newsletters features these reports. Legacy process nodes going strong. Precision patterning options emerge for advanced packaging. New interconnect methods lead new dielectrics. This week's video towards software-defined vehicle. The market and money. Synopsys recently acquired Valtrix Systems, which provides a bare metal software system for verifying the RISC-V and the ARM-based chip. The DRAM and NAND flash revenues will increase 75% and 77% respectively in 2024, with further growth in 2025 driven by the increased bit demand and improved supply-demand structure and the rise of the high-value products like HBM, according to the TrendForce. The Yole Group expects the advanced packaging revenue to grow at a CAGR of 12.9%, increasing from $39.2 billion in 2023 to $81.1 billion by 2029. The forecasts the processor market revenue will hit the $244 billion in 2024, with the microcontroller market reach $27 billion. The anticipated the RF gallium nitride GaN, the market will surpass $2.1 billion by 2029, and predict power electronics market for XEV will hit $11.1 billion in 2029. The recent funding includes Liberians raised $15 million in a Series B extension and started to develop the domain-specific AI processor for interference in the data center and finance sector. The Cybernote drew $6.6 billion in seeding funding for its advanced material characterization platform utilizing cold atmosphere plasma. It targeted advanced coatings and thin films and nanoscale material used in semiconductors, electronics, and batteries and aerospace. The UK's Queen's, in conjunction with IQE, received a UK project grant about $1.43 million to scale up its non-volatile UltraRAM technology, which it claims rivals DRAM in speed, energy efficiency, and endurance. The European Innovation Council Accelerator announced its latest round of the grant and equity investment in technology startup. They include I4 and IR Italy up to 13.5 million euro for an imaging sensor based on germanium on silicon thin films and selectively detect both visible near infrared and short-wave infrared radiation with the same pixel for autonomous driving and robotics. Perotech, Belgium, up to 7.5 million euro for millimeter wave RF beam forming a transceiver and phase array antennas module for Wi-Fi, 5G, fixed wireless access, and wireless HDMI. The Spherical Systems, Netherlands, up to 4.0 million euro for space-grade semiconductors for electronic subsystem in satellite. The Quix Quantum, Netherlands, up to 17.5 million euro for low-loss photonic quantum processors and computers. Quantum Transition, Israel, up to 17.5 billion euro for a single-chip solid-state quantum processors that uses photonic to connect to each qubit. The QC Design, Germany, up to 4.0 million euros for a quantum design automation software used to develop logical qubits and architecture for fault-tolerant quantum computing. The education and training, the SEMI-Europe and the 11 partner European Chips Diverse Alliance, CCDA, launched a new consortium to reach underrepresented group, aiming to lower barriers for joining the semiconductor workforce. The U.S. Department of the Labor announced $65 million in a grant fund is available for the fifth round of the Strength Community Colleges Training Grant SCC5, which aims to build capacity to meet the skill needs of the employers and support students and obtaining good jobs in demand industry, including advanced manufacturing, and so application due to September 24th. Nano Electronics released the ANSPAC-ES, a tool designed to support university, research center, and semiconductor training programs with technology at preferential pricing to ensure the broad access for a America future pool of the advanced manufacturing talent. The University of California Board of Regents approved the creation of a new School of the Computing, Information, and Data Science SCIDS at UC San Diego. The UC Santa Cruz invited college students to form the across the region help to shape the future of semiconductors at the July 26 to 27 workshop. The emergency NI test measurement business will train defense and security personnel at the Defense Academy of the UK, delivered by the Cranfield University of Advanced Simulation and Measurement Technologies. Security. The Intel determined the cost of the Core the 13th and 14th Gen desktop processor instability was evaluated operating voltage stemming from a microcode algorithm resulting in an incorrect voltage recast processor and is delivering a microcode path addressing the root cause of exposure. The CrowdStrike released a preliminary post-incident review about the content configuration update last Friday that caused a global Microsoft Windows outage. Due to a bug in the content validator, one of the two template instances passed validation despite containing the probability content data. In security research, University of Nebraska, Lincoln, and the National University of Singapore researchers propose a lightweight runtime attestations approach to detect a hardware Trojan or malicious modification in a hardware design. The Sungkyunkwan University researchers in South Korea report the low power and low cost TRNG developed by exploring the stochastic ferroelectric polarization switching into the ferroelectric CORP2S6 CIPS-based capacitive structures. The interface, the EU think tank published a position paper with a course action for AI/ML research community aimed at supporting the governance. The IBM launched skilled will certificates in the cybersecurity, and they now analytic piloted to and design with the community colleges and available in Alabama, in Bay Area, Colorado, and Louisiana. The NTU Singapore and the Technical University of Munich are collaborating on the quantum sovereignty and resilience program to strengthen post-quantum cybersecurity. The Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security and Agency CISA issues a number. The product news, Infineon released a PSOC6 AI evaluation kit for embedded edge AI and ML system design. It executes inferencing next to the sensor data source and provides enhanced real-time performance and power efficiency compared to the cloud-centric solution architectures. The company also announced each cool SiC2000V modules were selected by Daehan for use in a unit, a type power conditioner for grid storage batteries. The Figure 1 Infineon PSOC6 AI evaluation kit shows Infineon. The Siemens and the BAE Systems signed for a 5-year agreement to boost innovation in engineering and manufacturing and deployed Siemens Accelerator open business platform through the Falcon Works, the research and development business with the BAE Systems AI sector. Siemens and also with Netherlands stepped its accelerator portfolio of the industry software to reshape the future of air flight. The Figure 2 Air, the factory of the future technology, are source demands and the BAE system and Raytrol. The ANSYS unveiled the latest update to its product suite, including a new server targeted at the electromagnetic analysis for IC sign-off across power and signal integrity analysis. Additionally, its electromagnetic modeling software added an AI-driven IC flow plan optimization solution to identify the ideal layout for the mitigating electromagnetic coupling issues in analog and RFIC designs. The Keysight Security Solutions device Security Research Lab completed Car Connectivity Consortium (CCC) digital key design applet, DKA certification, and NXP Semiconductors Automotive Digital Key Solution. Additionally, the University of Malaga's Mobile Aerospace Networks Lab selected Keysight in the Land Intelligence Controller Test Solution to create testing models for RAN intelligence controllers covering both near real-time RIC and non-real-time RIC for the Advanced Network Intelligence Management function. The Amazon is racing to develop faster and less costly AI chips than NVIDIA's, according to the Reuters. SkyWater received the multi-column e-beam lithography MEPL system for volume production from the Multibeam, which offers a high-throughput direct write patterning system that is far faster than a conventional e-beam tools. The ETH and Intel Corporation researchers earned the Best Paper Award in ISCA 2024 with their joint work constable improving performance and power efficiency by safely eliminating load instruction execution. Researchers from Intel, Microsoft, and the University of Washington co-published an introduction to the Compute Express Link CXL interconnect covering the CXL 1.0, 2.0, 3.0 standards and their impact on data center landscape. The NTT and the Okayama University researchers in Japan developed the world's first gigahertz ultrasonic circuit utilizing the principle of topology, expected to read miniaturization and high performance and ultrasonic filters used in the wireless communication devices. Caltech engineers built the meta-surface patterns with a minuscule tunable antennas capable of reflecting an incoming beam of optical light to create many sidebands of the different optical affordances, paving the way to a new type of wireless communication channel, new range finding technology, or a way to relay large amounts of data to and from space. The Nature Nanotechnology presented a focused issue how the research community is pushing device performance boundaries of 2D transistors and the device role in future computing. Argonne National Laboratory led researchers used biodegradable aluminum polymers aiming to reduce electronic waste. Figure 3 is a new method allows the design of light-emitting the semiconductors that are both biodegradable and recyclable source. Agnora National Lab, imaged by the Jie and Yukon Yu. The MIT engineers identified a prototype material that could enable energy-efficient fuel cell, electrolyzers and batteries and computing devices. The SLAC is National Accelerator Laboratory and Stanford University scientists developed on an AI-based method to accelerate target material discovery. The quantum IMAX fabrication assigns both quantum dotted qubits on a 300 millimeter CMOS platform with a very low charge noise, enabling high-fidelity qubit control. The University Quantum uncoated an AI-AZ for controlling error correction of each trapped ion quantum processors. The IonQ updated its roadmap, aiming to improve native 2-qubit gate performance to 99.9% more. And then in 2025, with further gain the following year with a move to barium qubits. The Classic debuted a high-level language for quantum coding. Classic will also integrate QRS neutral and quantum computers into each platform. The PsiQuantum intended to build a utility scale quantum computer at the upcoming Illinois Quantum and Microelectronics Park. The event for the reading is here. Okay, coming back when I here, so there are so many texts. Thank you for your time. And today I read the chip industry, this article, the chip industry week in review, and the July 26th and 2024 by the semiconductor engineering staff. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time, and see you next time.